Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. One of our analysts said something to me today that I cannot get out of my head, and it's made me rethink everything I was going to come on here and talk about because I actually think it's much more important that we have this discussion. She said that right now, people are frozen and they're not taking action because they're confused. And it makes sense with everything going on in the news, whether it's inflation's down, no, inflation's up, the job market is hot, no, it's cooling, crypto, the stock market, bonds, rates, whatever it is all over the place. And it is confusing for people to understand. And the more I started thinking about this, the more I was looking at the news through that scope, and I already have known for a long time, as we all have, that the news likes to manipulate, but I could not help but laugh when I saw this article immediately after this conversation, thinking about how people are confused and wondering how much of this is intentional, how much of the news is trying to confuse us just so that people won't take action, so that they won't protect themselves, keep people wondering what the next move is so that they just think, it's too much for me to think about. It's easier to just put my cash into a bank and not think about it and go with the flow because I don't want to make the wrong decision. This article says Wall Street capped a choppy week of Trading Friday with the best day for the stock market in over 2 months. A choppy week and the best day of the stock market. Okay, which one is it? Who knows? It then goes on to say, the S&P 500 rose 1.3%, its best day since late February. Best day. The benchmark index also erased its losses for the week. So it was down, but now it's up. I guess that's a good thing. Who knows? Then it moves on to jobs. The nation's employers added 175,000 jobs last month. Sounds like good news. Down sharply from the blockbuster increase of 315 in March. Okay, so I guess it's bad news. It's no wonder that people out there are confused and frozen and not sure what to do. And it's sad to me because ultimately it's hurting people. People who are frozen and unable to take action because they don't know which direction to go. There's too many voices, too many people confusing out there. It's ultimately hurting them because we know for a fact that inflation is up. We know for a fact that we have a deficit problem, a government spending problem that is only going to continue to have inflation rise. And with inflation rising, we know that your purchasing power is diminishing. That means that the value of your dollar, the dollars in your wallet, are worth less. And we know that the only way to truly protect yourself and hedge against inflation is a safe store of value, which would be something that has been a safe store of value since the dawn of time. Physical, tangible, gold and silver. As they always say, if you don't hold it, you don't own it. So in today's world of so many voices, of so much confusion, I just wanted to come on and deliver that and make sure that we all understand what's really going on here. It is a war on your wealth. This is a very critical time for all of us, and I think it's so important that we continue to educate and share this message. So to that point, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It helps us so much with getting the word out. We know that there's strength in numbers. If you have someone who's confused or frozen or unable to take action, please share this with them, share our channel with them. We are here to help so that we can all learn and grow together. And if you have any questions or you want to take action yourself and you haven't yet, click the Calendly link below, talk to one of our expert analysts. They are here to help. As always, I'm Kenney with ITM Trading. Until next time.